Imagine your SUV dying in the middle of nowhere, stranding you with a massive repair bill that ruins your month. But what if you could own one that's so unbreakable, it racks up 300,000 miles on just oil changes? Based on the latest 2025 reliability studies from J.D. Power and Consumer Reports, certain models stand out for their proven track records. These vehicles draw from years of owner reports, expert testing, and resale data showing they hold value because they keep going strong. Stick around as we reveal the top 10 most reliable SUVs for 2025 that could save you thousands. These picks rely on real-world performance, not just promises, and they could change how you think about long-term ownership. Let's start from number 10, Toyota 4Runner. The Toyota 4Runner stands as a benchmark for toughness in the SUV world. For 2025, it has seen a full redesign after more than a decade, but Toyota kept the focus on the solid reliability that built its name. The engine is a turbocharged 2.4-liter four-cylinder, putting out 278 horsepower, drawing from Toyota's reliable TNGA platform with engineering aimed at lasting through heavy use. This setup replaces the old V6 and brings better efficiency without losing capability. The body-on-frame build sets the 4Runner apart, sticking with a truck-like structure, while others go lighter. This design handles rough terrain and daily wear, leading to frames that endure for decades. The part-time four-wheel drive system keeps things simple with mechanical parts that are easy to fix anywhere, avoiding the electronics that can glitch in more complex setups. Owners share stories online of racking up 300,000 miles or more with few issues beyond basics. Research from Consumer Reports gives it a predicted reliability of 5 out of 5, and J.D. Power data shows low problem rates. Resale values stay high, with older models still fetching good prices because buyers trust they'll keep delivering. 9. Lexus GX. In the luxury class, the Lexus GX sets a high bar for dependable upscale driving. The 2025 model claims a leading position in reliability rankings. It mixes Toyota's durable foundations with Lexus comfort in a setup that's hard to break. Power comes from a twin-turbocharged 3.4-liter V6 engine, making 349 horsepower, refined over years for smooth power and long life. The engine's build includes strong internals and effective cooling to handle stress without wearing down fast. Sharing roots with the Toyota Land Cruiser, the GX uses a proven body-on-frame setup with a solid rear axle that might feel traditional, but proves itself in tough spots worldwide. This platform has logged millions of miles in extreme conditions. The full-time four-wheel drive includes a center differential and 2-speed transfer case, relying on mechanical strength rather than heavy tech that might fail. J.D. Power ranks Lexus tops for dependability, and owners report vehicles pushing past 300,000 miles with rare problems. The GX prioritizes lasting features over trendy gadgets, ensuring systems stay functional for the long haul. 8. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 holds its spot as a top seller in the US through consistent performance that keeps owners coming back. This compact SUV builds on years of strong results in the field. The 2025 model's 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine is part of Toyota's dynamic Force line, using durable aluminum with iron liners for engines that last under varied loads. It delivers 203 horsepower reliably. The 8-speed automatic transmission sticks to tested designs, with parts built for extended runs, focusing on steady shifts and low wear. The suspension setup with McPherson struts up front and multi-link in back balances comfort and strength, using pieces that mechanics can handle easily and that hold up past 200,000 miles. Toyota's assembly process includes rigorous checks, catching issues early for better outcomes on the road. Data from independent groups like Consumer Reports rates the RAV4 at 5 out of 5 for predicted reliability, with owners noting few surprises. Maintenance stays simple, with oil changes and fluid swaps often enough to reach high mileage without big bills. 7. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V blends reliability with everyday usefulness in a way that appeals to practical drivers. Honda's focus on durable builds makes this compact SUV a go-to for those wanting steady service. The 2025 CR-V's 1.5-liter turbocharged four-cylinder draws from Honda's VTEC heritage with strong pistons and a solid crankshaft to manage boost while lasting long. It produces 190 horsepower efficiently. The CVT transmission simplifies things by cutting down on parts, leading to smoother operation over time with regular care. The all-wheel drive engages the rear wheels as needed through a basic mechanical system, proven over years without the failures seen in more electronic-heavy designs. Reliability stats from sources like J.D. Power and Consumer Reports place the CR-V high, with 4 out of 5 or better scores and low repair rates. Owners enjoy trouble-free drives well into 6 figures. Upkeep is straightforward, centering on oil, brakes, and fluids to keep costs down and reliability up. 6. Subaru Outback. Subaru often tops reliability charts, and the Outback shows why with its mix of all-weather ability and solid performance. The 2025 Outback pairs Subaru's standard all-wheel drive with dependability that suits varied roads. Engines include a 2.5-liter four-cylinder at 182 horsepower, or a turbo 2.4-liter at 260, both with sturdy builds for long service. The symmetrical all-wheel drive uses a center differential for even power split, keeping it mechanical and less prone to issues than electronic alternatives. The Boxer engine layout lowers the center of gravity and cuts vibration, reducing strain on parts for better longevity. Subaru's production standards involve thorough tests to ensure quality from the start. Owner surveys highlight fewer fixes and lower costs than averages in the class. Maintenance follows a preventive plan, making it easy and cost-effective to maintain peak condition. 5. Honda Pilot. The Honda Pilot defines reliability in the 3-row SUV space, offering families a vehicle they can count on for daily duties. Honda's durable engineering ensures consistent operation over time. The 2025 Pilot's 3.5-liter V6 uses VTEC refinements with tough bearings and a strong crankshaft for 285 horsepower suited to larger loads. The suspension handles the size well, with independent setups front and rear using quality parts that outlast typical use. Honda's build process includes detailed inspections to spot and fix potential problems early. Data from research firms ranks the Pilot among top 3-row options, with high satisfaction and minimal unplanned work. Service needs fit busy schedules, focusing on basics to sustain reliability without hassle. 4. Toyota Highlander. The Toyota Highlander captures Toyota's knack for SUVs that endure, providing 3-row space with the dependability that defines the brand. The 2025 Highlander's 2.4-liter turbocharged four-cylinder offers 265 horsepower from a design emphasizing robust pistons and bearings for operation beyond 300,000 miles. The 8-speed automatic draws from Toyota's transmission expertise, with strong internals for smooth, lasting shifts under family demands. The all-wheel drive manages torque simply, avoiding complex tech for better long-term function. Toyota's quality checks during assembly maintain high standards. Reliability reports from groups like Consumer Reports give it strong marks, with few repairs noted. Maintenance prioritizes prevention, keeping ownership predictable and affordable. 3. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 shows reliability can pair with enjoyable driving, offering dynamics alongside lasting build quality. Mazda's engines, like the 2.5-liter options at 187 or up to 256 horsepower, use premium materials for extended runs. The 6-speed automatic favors proven reliability over newer trends, ensuring durable performance. The all-wheel drive distributes power cleanly without overcomplicating things. Mazda keeps electronics conservative, using reliable wiring and components. Surveys indicate lower repair needs than many rivals. Service is designed for ease, supporting ongoing dependability. 2. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester merges all-wheel drive prowess with reliability. ideal for those seeking capability and peace of mind. The 2.5-liter Boxer engine at 180 horsepower balances smoothly to minimize wear. The CVT has been honed for durability, backed by positive owner feedback. Symmetrical all-wheel drive sticks to mechanical basics for fewer failures. Subaru's testing ensures quality. Data supports high dependability with strong scores across boards. Maintenance is simple, aiding long-term value. 1. Lexus RX. Wrapping up, the Lexus RX delivers luxury reliability without skimping on comfort. Powertrains, like the 2.4-liter turbo at 275 horsepower or hybrids, prioritize longevity. Lexus's inspections exceed norms for low issues. Transmissions build on Toyota's know-how for durability. Reliability data crowns the RX highly, contributing to Lexus's top rankings. The approach favors proven elements. Maintenance suits luxury expectations while ensuring sustained performance. These 10 SUVs highlight engineering that favors durability over fleeting trends. Toyota, Lexus, and Honda produce the most reliable SUVs in 2025. Subaru, Mazda offer solid crossovers too. Picking from this list means likely enjoying years without major mechanic visits. See you on next video.